How to fix sorry there was a problem with your request on Instagram. So if you're facing a problem on Instagram while requesting something, then the first thing you need to check is your internet connection. So if you don't have a stable internet connection, then your request might be lagging, so that might be a problem. And after checking the internet connection, you can simply check that if your app needs an update or not, because if your app needs an update, then your app will not run smoothly. So first open up your Play Store and then go for the search bar and search for Instagram. And after searching, if you have an update option, then you can simply tap on update and you have to update your Instagram application. And after updating, your problem might be fixed and your app will also run smoothly. So if that still doesn't fix your problem, then open up your settings and go for apps and notifications and go for Instagram, and then tap on storage and cache and then tap on clear cache, and that's it. Your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then simply uninstall the application and then again install it from your Play Store or your App Store, or you can restart your device. You can simply hold on to that power button, and here you will have restart option. You can simply tap on restart and your problem might be fixed. So that's it. These were the few fixes to your problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.